What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we are here with KSI Holidays. No, holiday, not holidays, holiday. KSI. KSI is a big YouTuber with 23.8 million subscribers. So big up KSI. KSI do boxing, KSI do YouTubing, KSI do vlogging, KSI do everything. You name it, KSI I sing now. So we are gonna react to what one I sang them when drop not long ago. So we are gonna react and see what go on. Let's jump straight into this and see what go on. Let's go KSI.
I wanna wake up every morning feeling better, cause I know you're sleeping by my side. And
Hold on, so he's singing. KSI is singing. You can sing to me, G? Me never know you sing. Me never know you sing, bro.
every moment we're together, I remember just to keep it all for you and I see that body in the sunlight, feeling the heat and it feels right. I wanna do this for the rest of my life. Oh, I know, you know the vibe. I wanna stay with you every night. You and me underneath the lights. I'm always good when you're by my side.
The song sound good, you know. It's actually so nice. It's so you know, it's so good. KSI, pick up yourself, G. Take off my glasses. KSI, you're in trouble. The reason why I have this constant smile on my face because I can't take KSI serious. After watching so much of his videos and so much of his content, I can't take him serious. But he is serious about his craft. He's serious about the singing. You know? Big up KSI, man.
I know you're on my mind. You really make me come alive. I wanna be here for the rest of my life. Looking for sun rays, needing them good days. Fly me away, away. You're my holiday.
Oh, one of them summer feel, one of them summer song that the feeling, you know, the feeling that you get from it is one of them summer song the way you can listen on a road trip. You and your girl like chill out. You know, like a holiday vibe. It's nice, it's nice.
Cool like the ocean, lost in emotion. Find me away, away. You're my holiday. Whenever you're here, it's a good time. Strawberry shirts in the sunshine, ice cold drinks till the moonlight. You're my holiday. Whenever you're here, it's a good time. Strawberry shirts in the sunshine, ice cold drinks till the moonlight. You're my holiday.
So obviously he's singing this type of song, but he's not actually singing to a girl in the video himself. The other characters are playing those parts for him, you know. So he's just concentrating on the singing. He's not doing any acting. He's not doing no acting.
I wanna stay up till the morning when you talking, just to listen to the things you say. And every time we're in the middle of the city, I imagine us so far away. I see that body in the sunlight, feeling the heat and it feels right. I wanna do this for the rest of my life. Oh, I know you're on my mind.
Yeah, he's actually talented, you know. Him talented. Like me say, him a do boxing, him a do gaming, him a do vlogging, him a do podcast, him a do this. He's just the universe is yours, KSI. Take it on, bro. I'm happy for you, G. The universe is yours, bro.
You really make me come alive. I wanna be here for the rest of my life. Looking for sun rays, needing them good days. Fly me away, away. You're my holiday. Cool like the ocean, lost in emotion. Find me away, away. You're my holiday. Whenever you're here, it's a good time. Strawberry shirts in the sunshine, ice cold drinks till the moonlight. You're my holiday. Whenever
This actor is a Jamaican. See the Jamaican flag there. You see them a Jamaican. Parents are Jamaican, or he's been to Jamaica recently, or he's in Jamaica right now. Cause same Jamaican bracelet there. I'm not gonna miss that, guys. Come on. Come on. I'm not gonna miss that. Come on. Like, come on.
Wearing shirts in the sunshine, ice cold drinks till the moonlight. You're my holiday.
Oh, oh, him girl turn up. Him girl turn up. Him girl turn up. Okay.
You're my holiday.
You know what? Knowing KSI, him probably actually say, yo, what took you so long? I saw the man this thing. What took you so long? Me can't take him serious because KSI is that type of guy, dog. Like, you know, he just full of laughter and jokes. Him have a lot of songs out still. A lot of songs out. KSI had take the music scene and him do it, you know. Whether you like him or not, he's doing it and he's getting the views online. The song sound good. The song, you can vibe to the song. I like it. I like it. KSI, big up yourself, BG. Big up yourself. Guys, this is how I'm going to end the reaction, yeah? If you enjoy that one, please leave a like. Leave a comment down below. And subscribe around there if you're new. KSI, big up yourself, Joe. Chicken!